ASL Fingerspelling Secrets I Wish I'd Been Taught. Not all letters are equally important. When fingerspelling, the first and last letters are the most important letters to sign clearly, and also the most important for you to catch in order to understand the word. Keep in mind all of the letters are important, but you can make an educated guess if you know the first and last, especially if you know the context, as well as if you catch the shape of any of the middle letters. You should always pause on the first letter and the last letter, and let all of the middle letters flow together but still clearly form them. Here's an example. Flowing. Again. Again. I'm divulging all of the secrets to fingerspelling in American Sign Language, so subscribe to Sign with Courtney.